Well, guys, this law allows for 140 retail pot shops to pop up in cities and towns across Connecticut over the next several years, but the actual number will most likely be much smaller than that. Just keep in mind here that even though the governor did sign this bill today, it'll still be until July 1st before you can legally possess small amounts of cannabis for personal use.
Let's sign the bill.
Yeah, let's sign.
With the stroke of a pen, Connecticut became the 19th state in the country to legalize recreational cannabis. So what comes next? An equity council will be established.
I'm sure there'll be no shortage of interested people looking to serve.
The law now puts Connecticut in a position to compete with our neighbors.
Right now, you look around the state and you see these Massachusetts billboards coming up like mushrooms in the jungle, and we're going to be able to regulate that in a very strict way going forward.
The move will get registers ringing louder at medical dispensaries like Fine Fettle here in Newington.
We basically had an idea that we should probably build these facilities to accommodate both a medical program and a recreational program.
CEO Rick Carbre plans to jump into the burgeoning industry. It'll cost him $1 million, though. Half of that only if the dispensary has a social equity applicant. Connecticut's 18 existing medical marijuana dispensaries will have the opportunity to apply for a hybrid license to sell both.
On the medical side, we're going to make sure our medical patients are first because it's important.
Medical sales will remain tax-free,
Where you're going to pay probably close to 25% tax on the adult use product,
including a 3% tax incentive for communities who don't pass local ordinances banning retail sales.
That is their right, or they need to be accountable to the voters who live in their communities about whether people who live in that community would prefer to have that or not.
Under the law, communities of more than 50,000 people would still be required to designate a public space where marijuana can be smoked, regardless of a ban on sales.
I think it is a model for the rest of the nation. We've had a chance to learn from others.
Shortly after the bill signing, the Connecticut Medical Society put out a statement opposing the new law, saying in part, "We believe the recreational use of marijuana is bad science, bad policy, and dangerous to Connecticut's public health." Lawmakers concede the legislation isn't perfect and will almost certainly need to be revised as time goes on.
We have the days and months and years ahead to address those concerns.
And the retail sale aspect of all this, well, that likely won't begin until next year at the earliest. The state wants to make sure that growers have enough time to get product out there to meet supply and demand. Cultivation is scheduled to begin later this year. We're live at the Capitol Complex in Hartford. Matt Karen, Fox 61 News.